Software development. Software. Over more than 2 decades, our team has worked with top international brands, delivering smart, effective, and budget-friendly services including customized software development, enhancement, testing, and consultancy. We're happy to work with you too and help you take control over your website. We'll work in tandem with you all year round, offering services like creating websites, mobile apps, and software, image editing, and computer-aided design software, etc. Our software development services. Client-server application, we create layouts, page performance, and also incorporate JavaScript to create a usable interface. Distributed application, we create software that can be used on multiple computers within a network, and this software is perfect for multiple users. Product component development. Our product component development service will help you to add functionality to your existing software. XML application. Do you wish to create a unique software solution for processing your data? Well, just consult us and we will provide you with technologies such as XQuery, XML Schema, XPath, and XSLT, so that you can process your company's data in an appropriate manner. PHP. We provide robust and unparalleled PHP web development solutions to our clients with our proficiency in this programming language and its frameworks. E-commerce. We render unrivaled e-commerce development services by creating cutting-edge online storefronts with our proficiency in the latest technologies such as Magento, WooCommerce, Shopify, PrestaShop, Custom, ASP.NET. We offer feature-rich, robust, secure, scalable and result-oriented .NET web applications, apps. We also provide app development end-to-end services from concept to distribution. We can transform your idea into high-performance, secure, and scalable iOS mobile apps as per your requirements.